That's the end of the lesson for today, but don't forget your homework, a history of robots in space. Find out as much as you can and submit it online tonight. Class dismissed.
Right, let's see what I can find out. I found this website on Remarkable Robots where you can tap in a question and get an answer from an expert. So, a history of robots, eh? What was the first robot sent into space?
The first robot in space was Sputnik 1. It was launched October 4th, 1957 by the USSR. Its job was to send radio signals back to Earth, which gave scientists helpful information about the ionosphere, a very high part of the atmosphere.
Cool! I've seen a model of Sputnik at London Science Museum. Funny to think it's got something in common with the ExoMars rover. Okay, let's ask another question. How many planets have robots visited?
Whilst the only place in space that humans have visited is the Moon, robotic explorers have set down on the Moon, Mars, Venus, Titan and Jupiter, as well as a few comets and asteroids. There are robots closer to Earth too, on the International Space Station.
Wow, I love the ISS. I wonder what robots are used on the space station. I'll ask more about that. What's a cool robot you'd find on the ISS?
Dexter is a robotic arm developed by the Canadian Space Association. It is a very cool robot. Dexter allows for delicate manipulation of objects outside the station, reducing the number of spacewalks and increasing the ability of the ISS crew to maintain and upgrade the station.
Okay, maybe just one last question. Which robots have travelled the farthest?
NASA's Voyager missions are notable for achieving the milestone of having a robot actually leave Earth's solar system. Voyager 1 and 2 were launched in 1977 and are still making their way out of the solar system. They have entered the heliopause, a distant region where the solar wind starts to drop.
A bit further than the ExoMars rover will go. Thanks, Remarkable Robots. I'm ready to upload my answers.
Deep Space High, Destination Mars. With support from the UK Space Agency. Find out more at funkidslive.com/space.